Hello, I'm Mr. Smith and this is Learn to Code. And in this video you are going to write your very first Python program. So here it is. Print hello world. And we're just going to go ahead and click on the run button at the top. And there we go, our first Python program. So how did this work? Well, print, like this, is just a function. It prints something to the screen, and that's it. Now, interestingly, not everything is good in the world. If we make a little typo, we get an error, a name error. Name primps is not defined. Okay, so if you get a name error, you've probably misspelled something. Let's put that back. Just run it. And it's working again. Okay, so you might have noticed that some of the words on the screen are in different colours. This is called syntax highlighting, or as OCR like to call it, pretty printing. And it's there to help you see what you've typed. The colours aren't random either. Functions, like print, are usually purple. Strings, like hello world, are a dark red. Integers are often green, and variables are usually black. Of course, if you change the theme to dark, the colours change too. Let's just drop down here. We change to dark. No, I'm totally wrong. You can choose which mode you prefer. I'm going to stick with light. And in some IDEs, you can customize everything. Okay, in a moment I want you to pause the video. I want you to have a quick go at writing your own print statement, and then come back and watch the rest of the video. Okay, pause the video now. And you're back! Alright then, so people, they often work in teams to develop programs. To help each other understand the code that's been written, programmers will leave comments for each other. Comments, though, are also helpful to you if you're working alone or on an extended project. They'll help to remind you what you've done and maybe any problems you're having. Here's how to write a comment. I'm going to write it before my code. I'm going to stick my code down there. I'm going to put a hash symbol. Now if you're using a Mac, a hash symbol is the option key and the number 3. And I'm just going to put hello world. Oh, do you know what? There we go. And another comment. Demonstration on how to use the print function. Now the computer will see the hash sign and it will not try to run that as code. It will only run code if there's no hash sign at the beginning. Alright then, first mini challenge of the course. I want you to write a program that prints out your favourite quote, and it should give credit to the person who said it on the next line. Okay, good luck.